Today, we visit with an employee at Trinity Woodworks in Oceanside, California, where custom casework and millwork is manufactured from hardwoods, steel, and laminates. The result is premium quality environments used in restaurants, airports, and other fine establishments.
My name is Joshua Hollenbeck. I'm an engineer here at Trinity Woodworks. My job responsibilities include creating cut lists, interpreting drawings, and generating drawings for our floor staff to ultimately produce. For me in a day, I would typically receive drawings from a customer, break them down, reproduce them, and produce viable models for our team to look upon and gain information, and subsequently produce all the manufacturing paperwork for it. Some typical skills I use on a daily basis are communication, timeliness, responsibility, problem solving, and resilience. I mean, things get crazy around here, so when you can't just flop over when the work gets tough. It's got to keep moving forward. Some of the challenges include physical ones, interpreting designs that are not realistic, and making them feasible. After high school, I went to college for computer science, and upon graduating, I looked for a job and found this one, and started out in shipping, and then eventually made my way into engineering. If I were to give advice to somebody who was trying to work here, I would say never stop working hard. If I was looking for somebody to do what I do, I look for a strong sense of solving problems and a tenacity to do so. A good day is when the customer gives us feedback that we've done a great job on their work. Ultimately, when the customer's happy, we're all happy.